How does the court determine child custody?
Well, when we talk about child custody, really what we're talking about under the Florida law, we call it a shared parental responsibility with a time-sharing plan. And then the custody really is that time-sharing plan. It can be, an every other weekend situation, or it could be 50-50, or any combination in between. So when we talk about custody, that time sharing is what we're talking about. And generally speaking, what the court does if the parties can't agree, under the Florida statutes, they look at about 15 different categories there to help the court determine which parent should have the majority of the time sharing. For instance, which party has been primarily involved with the children prior to the separation, schools, doctors, that type of thing. Which party is promoting the other party. Sometimes people get so upset they can't help themselves, but for lack of a better word, bash the other party, and that's a no-no. If the court senses that, then that's going to cause that party some difficulties when it comes to the time sharing. What the judge really wants to see is that two parties who are having a difficult time separating, but they're really trying hard to keep their children out of this, and they're not talking to the children about the other one or about the other's misdeeds. They're really trying hard to promote the other parent, even though they may not be happy with that spouse at that time. And the parent who can do those things and do them the most effectively generally has a better shot at the time sharing than a parent who just cannot do that.